Well, the fans are singing, players have warmed up. The game is just moments from kickoff. The manager's playing a 4-5-1 formation today. Finds his teammate. Confident pass. Good ball. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Passed inside. Good distribution. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Well, the keeper was well beaten. Aubameyang. Oh, easy decision here. It's a goal kick. A chance to have a better look here. Forward from the keeper. Finds his teammate. Won the ball. That's nicely played. Keeper put his boot behind that. Confident pass. What a well-timed tackle. They have the ball again. Good ball. Great footwork there. That's good link-up play. Finds his teammate. Good distribution. Passed well. Well timed then. Great defending. Confident pass. The defender regains possession. And now they're going to try and break. That's good link-up play. Suarez. This player is taking on the opposition. We're into time added on now. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. Shoots! He's not under that. A bit too much, I think. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Keeper sends it long. Well, there's the half-time whistle. It wasn't a great opening 45 minutes. We've got the second half and still plenty to play for. Not much happened then in the first half. Will we see goals in the second? Keeper collects that one. Good ball. Oh, well intercepted. Confident pass. Back towards the centre. Good distribution. Can he finish it? Suarez. Well intercepted. That's nicely played. Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team management. That's good link-up play. Playing the ball down the flanks. He goes for goal, and he scored. What a fantastic...